If you're using Ozempic to lose weight and manage blood sugar, but the results have stalled, you're not alone. While this medication can be incredibly effective, many users unknowingly make simple mistakes that slow down or completely block their progress. In this video, we'll cover the top 7 mistakes Ozempic users make that can stop weight loss in its tracks, and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Eating too little. Yes, Ozempic reduces appetite, but going too long without food or eating too few calories can actually slow your metabolism. When your body thinks it's starving, it holds on to fat. Instead of skipping meals, aim for small, nutrient-dense meals with protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep your metabolism running. Mistake number 2. Overeating just a little. On the flip side, some users think Ozempic is a free pass to indulge occasionally, but even small, frequent indulgences in high-calorie foods can stall weight loss. Because your appetite is lower, every bite counts more than ever. Pay attention to portion sizes and make every meal count nutritionally. Mistake number 3. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration can worsen side effects like nausea and constipation, and it can also confuse your hunger signals. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Staying hydrated supports digestion, energy, and fat-burning processes. Mistake number 4. Not moving your body. While Ozempic helps with weight loss even without exercise, physical activity can dramatically enhance your results. You don't need intense workouts. Just 20 to 30 minutes of walking, stretching, or light resistance training a few times a week can make a huge difference. Mistake number 5. Ignoring protein. Many Ozempic users don't get enough protein, which can lead to muscle loss instead of fat loss. Losing muscle slows down your metabolism and can make you feel weaker. Make sure to include lean proteins like eggs, chicken, fish, tofu, or Greek yogurt in every meal. Mistake number 6. Not managing stress or sleep. High stress levels and poor sleep affect hormones that control hunger and fat storage. Even with Ozempic, chronic stress or lack of rest can make it harder to lose weight. Prioritize quality sleep and try to incorporate stress-reducing habits like deep breathing, journaling, or short walks. And finally, mistake number 7. Expecting results too fast. Weight loss with Ozempic is often gradual. Some weeks you may lose more, others less, and that's completely normal. The key is consistency. Celebrate small wins and stay focused on long-term progress, not overnight change. Ozempic can be a powerful tool, but it works best when combined with smart lifestyle choices. Avoiding these 7 common mistakes can help you break through a plateau and keep moving toward your goals. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with someone on their Ozempic journey. You've got this.